Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to disconnect this Bluetooth speaker to your phone guys. You want to disconnect it, so you can disconnect. In this video guys, I will show you how to disconnect. So let's see how to disconnect guys. First of all, open your phone setting to guys disconnect this Bluetooth speaker. Oh sorry friends, before starting the friends, I want to tell you something. If you're new in my channel and you're watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So I first of all open your phone setting. Let's click on Bluetooth. So you can see that the JBL Go guys we have connected in our phone. So we will disconnect. So you can see this option guys, setting icon. Click here, and as you can see disconnect option. So as you will disconnect from here, as we will off from here guys this button. As we will off this Bluetooth speaker. So I hope friends you have understood how to disconnect Bluetooth speaker in Oppo K10 phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel.